Good morning, second standard. This is our fourth video of chapter number 5, the ways to behave. In our last four videos, I explained about good manners or ill mannered. So what is the meaning of manner? As I explained in our first or second video, the meaning of manner is to do something, right? And we learn so many things from home and in school, right? So everyone should like mannered child. अच्छा बिहेव करे, ऐसे बच्चे सबको पसंद होते हैं, है ना? राइट? सो you have to mannered in good way. For example, you have to respect your elders. जब अगर आपके बड़े आपको कुछ बोलते हैं, कुछ करने को कहते हैं, तो you should follow their orders. As they say, you have to follow their orders. आपको उनके जो orders हैं, जो उन्होंने कहा है आपको करने के लिए, that you have to do compulsory. That shows your good manners, right? Second, be neat and clean. हमेशा आप अच्छे से neat and clean रहो. That also shows your good manners. Then some children keep their face cheerful and smiley. Smiley face liked by everyone. हंसते बच्चे, sad persons become happy by seeing your smiley face. जो आपका ये जो फेस है उसको हमेशा स्माइली रखो, so that जो सैड हैं, दुखी हैं, उनको भी आपका ये चेहरा फेस स्माइली फेस देख के कुछ हैप्पीनेस फील हो, है ना? राइट? देन some children have habit to help people. That also shows your good manners, because you should help that persons who need your help. When they need your help, you should help them. That also shows a good manners. Then you also can keep or also keep yourself smile and help in needy people by many ways. Then next is punctuality. आपका जो टाइम है, you should complete your work in time. Don't do delay your work. Don't delay your work. Sorry, don't do delay नहीं, but don't delay your work. आपका जो काम है, you should complete your work within time and don't delay your work. जो आपका काम है उसको दिए गए टाइम में ही कंप्लीट करना. That is also shows your good manners, right? Like that I explained ill manner. What is the meaning of ill manner? Ill manners मतलब bad behavior, having bad behavior, right? So some children or some people have bad habit. They cannot hear anything which ordered by their elders, and they do not speak truth. That also shows bad manners, right? Because if you are speaking lie, that shows your bad manners, and it is called ill mannered person. So please don't speak lie. Speak always truth that make your parents and family members as well as your friends and teachers happy, and that shows your good manners also, right? Then next, kindful and be kindful and helpful. Never tease animals. If you tease animals, they will show their angerness to you, and maybe they will bite you. आप अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर पुलिंग द टेल ऑफ कैट और डॉग, that become then angry. Up if you pull the tail of animals like cat, dog, they become angry. So don't do this, and please do be kind with the animals as well as trees. Please don't cut the trees, because trees bring rain. Grow at least one tree surrounding your house or your area, and keep every place green by growing the trees, and it brings rain so that we get good health and we get fruit and food from that plants also. Mainly we shows all good manners to others. 3 magic words, as I explain. Which are 3 magic words? Please, sorry and thank you. Okay, now can you tell me when should we say please? When we will start our sentence, before that we say please to someone. If you want say something to you, it shows your manners, and it also shows that you are a well mannered or good person. Secondly, sorry. When did you say, or when do you say sorry? When you hurt or tease someone and they get hurt, that time you should say sorry, because it shows your good manners and you mean it. That shows it you mean the sorry, or you feel the sorry yourself, right? Now thank you. When should you say thank you? When you get something from others which you need that time, or someone gives you something as a gift, that time we should say thank you. जब आपको कुछ चाहिए हो और कोई आपको वो चीज़ दे, या एज अ गिफ्ट आपको कुछ चीज़ मिली हो, दैट टाइम यू शुड से थैंक यू. अगर कोई आपको कोई चीज़ गिफ्ट में देता है, तब भी आप थैंक यू बोल सकते हैं. एंड अगर आपको कुछ गिफ्ट में मिले, तो दैट टाइम यू ऑल्सो यू से थैंक यू. एंड if you give something or something to others, that person which he or she need, that time that person says to you thank you, and you have to reply welcome. जब आपको कोई कहे थैंक यू, तो आपको क्या बोलना है? वेलकम, या राइट. नाउ हियर I wrote some fill in the blanks and true and false. First I will read and teach you the blanks. First blank is we learn good manners in blank and blank. हम good manners कहाँ सीखते हैं? तो स्कूल में एंड घर पे, राइट? कहाँ सीखते हैं? स्कूल में एंड घर पे. नाउ सेकेंड, वी शुड ब्लैंक अवर एल्डर्स, बड़ों की क्या करनी चाहिए, रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. सो द आंसर इज वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट अवर लीडर्स, एल्डर्स नॉट लीडर्स, सॉरी. हमें हमसे जो बड़े हैं उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए, इज्जत देनी चाहिए, उन्हें उनका सम्मान करना चाहिए. राइट. थर्ड वन, नेवर टीज एनिमल्स. किसे टीज नहीं करना चाहिए, TEASE. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ टीज, चिढ़ाना नहीं चाहिए. किसे, एनिमल्स को. नेवर टीज एनिमल्स. ओके. फोर्थ वन, ऑलवेज कीप योर सराउंडिंग्स, कैसा करना चाहिए, क्लीन. सो ऑलवेज कीप योर सराउंडिंग क्लीन. आपके आसपास कैसे रखना चाहिए, सफाई रखनी चाहिए, क्लीन रखना चाहिए, है ना. फिफ्थ वन, एवरीवन लाइक्स टू बी विद अ ब्लैंक चाइल्ड. कैसे बच्चे के साथ रहना पसंद करेंगे, हैप्पी या सैड. सो द आंसर इज हैप्पी, HAPPY, हैप्पी. एवरीवन लाइक्स टू बी विद अ हैप्पी चाइल्ड. जो सैड होते हैं बच्चे, उनके साथ दूसरों को रहना पसंद नहीं है. बट द चाइल्ड हु इज हैप्पी, उनके साथ बड़ों को या किसी को भी रहना अच्छा लगेगा. नाउ ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. सो नोबडी लाइक्स अ सैड एंड इल मैनर्ड चाइल्ड. तो ये क्या है, हमें सैड या इल मैनर्ड, जिनको बिल्कुल भी तमीज़ नहीं हो, ऐसे बच्चों के साथ रहना हमें अच्छा लगता है. इज इट ट्रू, सॉरी, किसी को सैड या इल मैनर्ड बच्चे के साथ रहना पसंद नहीं है. सो दैट इज ट्रू. राइट. व्हेन आई वांट समथिंग आई से प्लीज. अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए तो ये क्या होगा, ट्रू होगा कि रॉन्ग. व्हेन आई वांट समथिंग आई से प्लीज. यस, that is true. Third one, you should say you are welcome when someone says thank you. That is also true. जब आपको कोई कहे कि you are welcome, आप कहेंगे you are welcome जब कोई आपको कहेगा thank you. Yes, that is true. I will send these blanks and true and false with this video as a PDF. Please students, write these all blanks and true and false in your EVS notebook with good handwriting and without making spelling mistakes. If you have difficulty, please show your parents. They will point out your difficulties and send us in the online videos. Please stay safe.